Welcome to this tutorial on setting up a mobile app footer for quick and convenient access to up to 3 items. This sticky menu will be visible on your mobile app's home page, enhancing user navigation. Whether it's catalogs or other Nevron mobile modules, you have the flexibility to add what's most relevant to your app users. Let's get started. First, we have to navigate to the Dashboard Composer. Select the Dashboard tab on the left side menu and click on the dashboard you wish to edit. To begin configuring your footer, navigate to the bottom of the mobile app preview on the right-hand side of your screen. Just below the preview, you'll find a button that reads, "Plus add new footer, max 3. When you click on this button, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, you can choose an item you'd like to add from the drop-down menu. Once you've made your selection, click Next to add the item. The newly added item will appear in the footer bar as a white outline. This indicates that you need to select an image or icon to represent it. To do this, simply click on the white outlined rectangle, and you can either select an image or change the existing one to make it more visually appealing and recognizable. To create a complete footer, repeat these steps 2 more times until you have a total of 3 items in your footer. If at any point you decide to remove an item, you can do so by clicking the X button located in the top right corner next to its icon. However, if you choose not to include a sticky footer, you can simply leave it empty. Before you proceed, always remember to save your progress. This ensures that your changes are preserved when you view them on the app or if you need to close the window. You've successfully set up a mobile app footer, providing quick and easy access to important items for your app users. Customizing your app's navigation in this way can greatly enhance the user experience.